Hello everyone, so welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you a quick unboxing of the AJAZZ AJ159 Apex wireless gaming mouse. First, a message from our sponsor. This mouse was sent to me by AliExpress as part of their influencer program. You can get exclusive discounts on AliExpress using the links and codes in the description below. With extra savings and discounts, you also get free shipping on so many items. Don't miss this chance, simply click on the custom links and start shopping. Now without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. AJAZZ put a good amount of effort into the presentation. The packaging has its own cute art on it, and the interior is spacious with foam for protection. The mouse comes with an extra set of black Teflon skates, grip tape, and of course the RGB charging dock with an LED screen. The charging dock has a button underneath it that lets you toggle through a few RGB settings or turn it off. The images are also pretty clear. The dock uses sticker feet on the base. Overall, a pleasant unboxing experience that has small touches to make it feel a little more special. Let's take a closer look at the mouse. The AJ159 offers a clear minimalistic design with no RGB lighting. This mouse is a great budget replacement for the Logitech G Pro Wireless. The design of the mouse is very ergonomic and minimalistic with smooth curves all around. If you have bigger hands like me, a claw grip will be good for you. While holding the mouse via palm grip, it becomes difficult to access the side buttons as they are too small. For smaller hands, it will be more flexible for different type of claw and palm grips. I prefer using bigger mice as they seem more comfortable for longer gaming sessions. The clicks feel nice and have a light poppy actuation. This mouse has Huano green and white switches with a lifespan of 100 million clicks. There is almost no pre-travel and a little post-travel for the clicks. You will notice more pre-travel as you click closer to the front of the buttons. Compared to most Huano modern implementations, I find them to be a little more tactile. The scroll wheel has a very light tactility to it. The tension when scrolling is on the looser side, which makes it easier to scroll quickly. I enjoy the feel when using it, but it may cause over scrolling or be too quick if you require more precise input. The side buttons are small, well separated and glossy. The actuation is clicky with not too much pre-travel and a little bit extra post-travel. They aren't the most premium feeling, but get the job done. The coating is pretty nice. It's not as premium as other well-known brands, but it's rubbery and grippy and better than other budget mice. It's slightly on the drier side and gets a little warm with the use. The included cable is decently flexible, so I have no complaints. The skates, however, are black Teflon and offer a decent gliding experience. In terms of weight, it only weighs 56 grams. It is the lightest mouse I have ever used, so I'm pretty satisfied with this. The weight also seems a little dense towards the back where the battery is located. As for the build quality, everything is pretty sturdy. They didn't get rid of the dongle tray underneath the mouse that was meant for the slower models, but you can remove the cover if you like. The mouse supports multiple connectivity options including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless and wired connections. It features a 400 mAh battery optimized for low power consumption. Charging the mouse is very simple. You can place it on the charging dock and a red light turns on to show that it's charging. Now let's hear the sound of the switches. The lift off distance is very good for this mouse. You can also customize the lift off distance in the software. I did a test and the mouse was working on 7 to 8 folds height of a paper. AJAZZ AJ159 Apex features a high-end PAW3950 sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 30,000 dpi. The AJ159 Apex can be overclocked to 42,000 dpi alongside a tracking speed of 750 IPS and 50G acceleration. These features set the AJ159 Apex apart in the marketplace, offering unmatched precision and speed. Now let's have a look at the mouse settings. Click on the 2.4G tab. In this window, you can customize the buttons of your mouse. On the next window, you have the DPI settings. You can assign a different color for each DPI setting. There is a button underneath the mouse which can be used to change DPI, and on the right side of it there is a small light that lights up according to the assigned DPI setting. In the parameters tab, you have different parameters like silent height, mouse return rate, double click interval time, roller simulation button shake elimination. The silent height is basically the lift off distance. You can set it to low or tall. In the parameters tab, you can adjust different parameters like silent height, double click interval time, mouse return rate. In the macros tab, you can create new macros. I explained this in detail in my last video about AJAZZ AJ159. You can watch that video on how to create a macro. In the share tab, you can download different settings uploaded by other users. In my account tab, you can create a new account to upload your settings. In about tab, you can update the software of your mouse and update the app. You can also change other settings from this window. You also have a reset button in the bottom to reset all the settings. So that's it about the software. It's very easy to use. The software for AJAZZ AJ159 Apex is very simple. In the first tab, you can see the settings for the charging dock. Adding an image or GIF to the charging dock is very easy. Just click on this icon, select picture, and add GIF using this icon. Click on confirm, and it will create frames based on the GIF. Now you have to upload animation to the charging dock to display it on the screen. It will take a few seconds to upload the animation to the charging dock. So the charging dock has very limited lighting animations. You can change the animation using the button underneath it. There are just 3 to 4 modes, and also turn off the light. The AJAZZ AJ159 Apex feels like a mouse that almost competes with higher-end mice. It kind of feels like what would have been considered an exceptional budget mouse last year. The shape of the mouse and the appearance of the charging dock make it stand out. There are slight improvements needed in the click design, skates and the weight. The slight play and the weight balance are not that bothersome since the shape carries it pretty hard. The black Teflon skates are great but can be replaced for a better experience. I didn't notice any delay in response while using it in wireless mode. AJAZZ can make these small improvements and lower the weight even more. It will be well received for its price. I will end this by saying that this is a great budget wireless mouse. You can order this mouse from AliExpress using discount codes and the link in description. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one.